Hi everyone, JL Essentials here for another Soap and Saturday episode, and this is episode 3. Woo! Alright, today's soap we're making our lavender soap. It is made with 100% pure lavender oil. So right now I'm measuring out my aloe vera juice that goes with my lye solution. And working with sodium hydroxide, I do have my gloves on. As you can see, long sleeves, and behind this camera, I do have a mask, eye mask, and a mask for my nose and mouth. You always have to protect yourself when you're working with lye. Now I'm going to give that solution a stir around and then give it a minute to cool off and wait till it's at a temperature around 125 degrees. Once it reaches that temperature, I'm adding sodium lactate that creates a harder bar. I'm going to add that to my cool lye solution and check my temperature of my oil to make sure that they match or within 10 degrees of one another. Then I can start to soap. Alright, now that they're the perfect temperature, I'm going to go ahead and add my lye solution to my oils. Now it's time to emulsify. Now this is the longest part of soap making, this actually getting the oils and the lye solution to mix together, and make sure that it's mixed before you add anything in there. Now that I've got a light trace, I just checked, I'm going to go ahead and add my oil, my fragrance oil, which is the Lavender Essential Oil. Now I'm going to continue to stick blend until I reach a medium trace. As you can see, I do not like to waste soap, so I like to get every drop out. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour out a little bit of my soap so that I can add my violet mica. I love this mica color because it gives the soap a nice, beautiful, light purple tint. Now this technique is called the swirl in the pot technique, and it's just a swirling technique that makes the soaps very pretty. So what I'm going to do is pour some of my purple or violet mica soap into the other soap, and I'm just going to swirl it inside. Alright, once it's to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and pour it inside of my mold. I do not swirl it too long because then it will start to mix together, and I do not want that. Now after everything is all swirled together, I'm going to add my dried lavender buds right on the top on the right side of the soap. Now these do come off when they are used inside the shower or tub, but I do like to add them because it adds a nice look to the soaps. Alright, now I'm just going to follow up or spritz with about 99% alcohol just to reduce soda ash. And that will complete episode 3 of our Soap and Saturdays. We are hoping that you enjoy these videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and as always, be blessed.